How to fix iOS 16 lagging problem. Now let's jump into the process. Open your settings. Here we go. Now go to the option General. Scroll down to the bottom. You can see the option of shutdown. Tap on it. Now at the top you can see that option of slide to power off. Just slide to the right and power off your phone and give a fresh restart to your phone. Now another way is go to your iPhone storage. Open it. Make sure you have enough storage. If not, then you can just delete or offload the unused app. You just have to tap on this option, offload app or delete app. Now another way is go back and open the option background app refresh. Now you have to make sure you have turned off this. Now go back. Scroll down to the bottom. You can see this option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Tap on this option reset again. Now tap on this top option reset all settings. Now go back. Now another way is you have to make sure if your iOS is updated or not. Just open this option software update. If there is any kind of software update pending, you have to make sure it is up to date. By following all these steps, you can just solve the problem of lagging. I hope now you guys are clear about how to fix iOS 16 lagging. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.